A clash of the giants in the Total Energies AFCON 2025 Group B. It is Egypt versus South Africa, the Pharaohs versus Bafana Bafana, in a match that is built to be the biggest match of Group B, which will determine, this match will eventually determine who gets to top Group B. Because as we know, that both Egypt and South Africa won their opening matches by 2-1, with Egypt defeating Zimbabwe by 2-1. This is after Egypt having gone behind. Zimbabwe were the first on the score sheet in that match. And it had looked like it was going to be a very frustrating night for Egypt because Washington Arubi, the Zimbabwean goalkeeper, was in the mood. Egypt scored the winner late in the match through Mohamed Salah. Of course, the equalizing goal was scored by the Manchester City's striker, Mamouche. Okay, so now Egypt will be looking to consolidate its path or their path to the last 16 by defeating South Africa. South Africa comes into this match having secured a 2-1 victory over a very stubborn and tricky Angolan side. So who do you guys think was going to emerge victorious in this match? So let's preview this match. So it is the AFCON 2025 Group B match. Match day 2, right? Group 2 preview. By the way, the AFCON is taking place out in Morocco from the 21st. It kicked off from the 21st of December 2025. The final will be on the 18th of January 2026. Okay, so it is Egypt versus South Africa. The date, it is Friday, December 26, 2025. Venue is Adra Stadium Grand Stade out in Morocco. Kickoff, it is 5 o'clock local time. The stakes, a group decider. Both teams are tied at the top of Group B. The winner officially books a place in the round of 16 with a game to spare. That is what it is stakes when it comes to this match. Match day 1 recap, how they got here. Both teams secured identical 2-1 victories on match day 1, but their paths were starkly different. Egypt versus Zimbabwe, the 2-1 victory. The Pharaohs survived a major scare after trailing 1-0 at halftime. Omar Mamouche equalized before Mohamed Salah rescued them with a 91st minute winner. Despite 77% possession, Egypt looked vulnerable to the counter-attack, and I think that's where South Africa would want to hit them. Remember, in the last edition, South Africa eliminated Morocco. South Africa 2-1 against Angola. Bafana Bafana showed immense grit. Ozwina-Police opened the scoring early, but after Angola equalized, it took a 79th-minute worldie from Lyle Foster to secure the points. The victory was defined by the impact of substitutes like Tshepang Moremi and the creative spark from the newly crowned RSL Player of the Year, Mohau Mokota. The team profiles and key players. For Egypt, on the CAF ranking, Egypt are ranked 3rd. Best AFCON winners 7 times. Key player is Mohamed Salah. The analysis, the ultimate game changer. Despite Egypt's sluggish start, Salah's composure in the final minutes against Zimbabwe proved why he is the continent's gold standard. For South Africa, currently ranked 11th on the CAF rankings, winners only 1 time. Their best AFCON when they won it in 1996. Key player is Lyle Foster. The analysis, high on confidence. After his match day 1 winner, Foster's physical presence and clinical finishing will be the primary test for an Egyptian defense that struggled with Zimbabwe's pace. Team news and tactical outlook. Egypt tactical shakeup. The drop. Coach Hossam Hassan is expected to drop Emma Ashur to the bench after he lasted only 33 minutes in the open. Mustafa Mohamed is tipped to start to provide more physicality up front. Injury concern: left back Mohamed Hemdi is a doubt after being forced off. Ahmed Fatou stands ready to deputize. South Africa momentum over disharmony. Stability despite the pre-tournament disharmony surrounding Hugo Broos and the Mbokazi incident. The squad looks unified on the pitch. Mbekezeli Mbokazi is expected to keep his place after a solid debut when he hit the crossbar. The X factor: Mhaonkota's confidence is at an all-time high. Expect Hugo Broos to utilize his RSL winning form to exploit the spaces left by Egypt's attacking fullbacks, and considering the impact that Tshepa Moremi had in the match against Angola. So the Egyptian defense is very slow. It is going to have a serious problem. The forecast and prediction: the rivalry context. South Africa has become a bogey team for Egypt in recent years, most notably knocking the Pharaohs out of the 2019 AFCON in Cairo. Remember the Tim Kosloj goal. Bafana is currently on a 12-game unbeaten run, including 2 CHAN playoffs win over Egypt earlier this year, which gives them a massive psychological edge. Match pattern: Egypt will likely control the ball, but Bafana's defensive structure under Ronan Williams is much more organized than Zimbabwe's. The game will likely be decided in the midfield transition, where Tebo Mokoena will duel with Egypt's Hamdi Fati. Predicted score: 2-1 to South Africa. For the summary, this match is about game management. Both teams know a draw is a fantastic result, as it all but guarantees progression. The final day match, South Africa versus Zimbabwe and Egypt versus Angola, will then determine who takes the easier path in the round of 16. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Tebos Kosana. The name of the platform is Mzansi Total Football. Thank you very much.